we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts.
The reality is that it's gonna get burnt here. The solution is to not have single-use plastics out here in the first place.
Sige, mamuntag.
Mga besh, mga bye. Sorry.
She's so happy right now. Sige, karong adlaw, kuyog na mo ang Cliffs Project o Red Bull. Mo island hopping kami. Mo limpyo kami sa mga beach diri sa Tour B. Tour B karon na? Tour B. So wala pa ko nakasulay og Tour B. 3 years ago na ako diri sa El Nido, pero Tour A og C. Ampo lang, dugay man na.
I did B.
She did B.
I'm a veteran.
Sige. Pero astig karong semana magkuyog kami sa Red Bull kay naay diving competition. So sa mga sunod na vlog, ipatana na mo ang cliff diving sa inyo. Pero karon mo island hopping kami para mo limpyo sa mga beaches. Gahapon kami ni Jackson Groves nakasaka kami sa Taraw Cliff. Doon lang siya sa town. So ipatana na ako ang mga drone shots sa inyo kay grabe ka astig.
You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud. So loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking are you the same?
Sige, so morang Taraw Cliff. Wala siya naguban kay tulog lang siya. Tapulan. Joke lang. Joke. Sige. Sige, so mag-island hopping na ta. Sige, so nakapon kami diri sa Papaya Island.
Papaya Beach.
Papaya Beach di ay. Pag nanaw kami, sa nahitabo.
We need 2 minutes.
When will she learn? Sige, so grabe po sa hangin. Pero diri kami maglimpyo sa dagat, sa beach. Bye-bye di ay. Tanan kami na ay sako, so magkuha kami basura diri.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody.
Sige, so nakuha ko tissue diri, pero naitay di ay. Stilan. There's freaking poop on this toilet paper. You want to pick up that toilet paper over there?
What's in it?
Straight up poop on it and I grabbed it. Alright, so it's funny, yesterday we had some locals tell us that a lot of these beaches don't need cleanups because the beach looks really nice, it's really maintained, but this is where it's all going. Here in the hidden spots behind the beach. Right?
Yeah, there's usually a dump site somewhere, and the reality is that it's gonna get burnt here because it's pretty inefficient for the locals to have to ship it back and forth to the mainland. So the easiest thing for them to do is to burn it here, which is understandable with the price of gasoline and the ships. So the solution is to not have single-use plastics out here in the first place.
Sige, so mga yung mga divers sa competition, bisan na sila competition, mapilo sila gyapon sa cleanup. Kugyan kayo. And nagubay yung chinelas pag nanaka kami.
Every time I walk off a boat.
Sige, so lika na mo sa Havyanas kay magubad dayon. Pastilan. Sige. So diri sa El Nido, bawal maggamit og plastic, single-use plastic sa mga straws. Bottoms up daw. So pag may coconut, diretso sa coconut lang, wala may extra. So, nice ang ginabuhat sa mga tao diri sa El Nido.
You can't bring like
Plastic
bottles on island hopping anymore.
Oh, bawal magdala og plastic bottle.
Touch my head, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say.
Food vlog.
Food vlog.
Food vlog. This is my piss. This is my piss.
Alright. That's what's important.
This is my pork. This is my pork.
Sige, humana kami dito sa isla. Balhin kami diri sa Cathedral Cave. So tinila dili kami pwede masulod kay na mga bitin na venomous. So dili lang kami mo tanaw. Sayang dili kami makasulod. Sunod na lang. Boom, panis. Where are we?
We are in the cave. I don't know the name of this one.
Just another cave.
Just another cave. A hole.
Boho.
Boho.
Not baho.
Not baho.
Wow, just on this wide angle, you look so slender. Yeah, it's
Carson's happy he has an actual photographer. You can stop complaining about me now.
Alright.
And I also told you about
Sige, happy na discretion yung drone. Sige. So, asa sa niyabot?
Sorry, we're at Snake Island. Oh.
Checking Jackson's
I don't know how to say we're here.
Naa kami diri.
Nakamidari is a Snake Island. It's a sandbar, that's why it's a Snake Island. There's no snakes here. There might be. You can see any. Yeah.
Sige.
So, good
So,
swim.
ipalupan ako ang drone para makita na ko mo. Huh?
Take it down, save your time if you want to make it right. When you won't come easy, if you release me, make it go away. We've got a long way down from here. I'm so tired of running.
Sige. So, humana kami sa island hopping. Akong buhok, murag mais, pasensya. Pero dagan na kami, basura dire. Usa diha. Pila ka buhok dire. So, success ang adlaw karon sa mga island hopping. Bisan napin ninyo, wala may basura, makakita ko mo basura sa mga diko sa mga bato, bisan nasa. Pero muuli na kami sa mga hotel na mo. So, tara. Alright then, what is going on, mate?
Now we're sorting
Our
trash
basura.
bags. Our basura.
Basura.
Into basura hands. Not our basos, but also basos.
Yep, there are a few basos in here. Sige, mauna yung aftermath. Pasensya sa akong taklob kay sunburn man.
I've been around, you've stayed away. Oh, I won't let it show. You gotta hold on to